Hello dear ones, I'm Angel here. In this video I am just showing you how to remove the labels of the glass bottles to do bottle art. I just soak the bottles in water with the laundry soap in it. I soak the bottles for a week in the water. After a week, if you take the bottles out and scratch it off with your nails, mostly it will come off, but sometimes some glues are hard-headed ones, they don't want to come off, so you can use knife or scissors to scrape it off. After that, sometimes you can see some are like not too much but little sticky on it, so you can use the alcohol prep pads or rubbing alcohol to clean if there is any leftover glue on the bottles. Glass bottles labels are easy to clean this way. You may be thinking, why am I posting this video, right? You think she's crazy, we don't know how to clean the glass bottles? I thought of just to post a video how to clean the bottle. Maybe someone doesn't know how to clean the glass bottle, so don't think I'm crazy. Okay, I hope you all like this video. Take care dear ones and have a blessed day. Love from here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you love this video, please subscribe. If you love me, please do comment. I always love to read your comments. Take care. Love you all.